In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Firebase project for push notifications on Android and iOS. We'll walk through creating a Firebase project, registering your app, adding the configuration files for Android and iOS, and pulling in the Firebase Cloud messaging SDKs. By the end, your project will be connected to Firebase and ready for notification features. First, head to the Firebase console in your browser and click Add Project. Give your project a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. You can choose whether to enable Google Analytics. It's optional, and you can always configure it later. Follow the prompts to finish creating the project. When the dashboard loads, you're ready to connect your app. Next, in the project overview, start the setup workflow by selecting the icon for your platform, iOS or Android. Pick the one you're integrating first. You can come back and add the other platform later. You'll be asked for basic app details, such as the Android package name or the iOS bundle identifier. Make sure these match your app exactly because Firebase uses them to link the configuration correctly. You can skip optional fields if you're just getting set up. Now, add your configuration file. On Android, download the Google Services.json file provided by the Setup Wizard and place it in your Android project under the App Modules root directory, typically the folder named App. Don't rename the file and make sure it's in the module, not the overall project root, so Gradle can find it. On iOS, download the Google Service info.plist file and add it to your Xcode project. Drag it into the project navigator, ensure copy items if needed is checked, and assign it to the correct app target. Keeping the original file name helps Xcode and Firebase locate it reliably. Finally, add the SDKs. Back in the Firebase console, you'll see platform-specific instructions. On Android, you'll add the Google Services plugin and Firebase dependencies in your Gradle files, typically including the Firebase BOM and the messaging library. Then sync your project so the dependencies download. On iOS, add Firebase through Swift Package Manager or CocoaPods, including Firebase messaging. After adding the dependency, build the project once so Xcode fetches everything and resolves symbols. That's it. You've created your Firebase project, registered your app, added the configuration files, and integrated the Firebase Cloud messaging SDKs. With this foundation in place, you're ready to move on to implementing notification logic and handling messages in your app.